Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given that ABCD is a parallelogram, and hence we are going to find the values of x and y respectively. So let's focus on part A first. So for part A, if we know the properties of parallelogram, you would then know that the opposite angles of a parallelogram are the same. They are equal to each other. And therefore, we could simply write down that angle DCB is actually equal to angle DAB, the blue color angles, because they are opposite angles of a parallelogram. And so this angle DAB is equals to 72 degrees, and therefore y is equals to 72. Alright, take note of how I represent my answers. If it is angle that we are talking about, angle DCB, then I will write it as 72 degrees. But if we are simply going to write down the value of y, then there is no units for that. And the next thing to note is we are now going to find the value of x, and notice that again, if we know the properties of parallelogram, we would know that AB and CD are equal to each other, and therefore 2x is equals to 10. And from here, I will be able to gather that x will be equals to 10 divided by 2, 5. Alright, let's move on to part B of this question. We're going to solve for part B as well. Okay, so for part B, since A, B, C, D are parallelogram, so applying what we have did previously, angle ADC is equal to angle ABC. Then the reason is they are opposite angles of a parallelogram. And so, in this case, we would have gotten that ADC and ABC, they are both equal to 126 degrees, right? And therefore, x will be equals to 126. Now, do take note that there is a special relationship between the angle y degrees BCE, this is 90 degree, and angle x, because in this case here, do take note, angle x is actually the exterior angle of triangle BCE, and there is a special relationship that connects x degree, y degree, and 90 degree, which is, so my y degree and my plus my 90 degree for angle BEC is actually equal to x degree, because x degree is the exterior angle of the triangle BCE. Exterior angle will do. And with this in mind, I will then be able to find the value of y. Because y is simply my x, which is 126, minus away my 90 to give me a final answer of 36 degrees or 36. We have come to the end of this video, so if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.